How's everyone doing? SP Authentic 2122. It's here. Let's get into it. Crack this bad boy open. Not sure exactly what I'm going to expect. I've seen a few openings. A little bit of clear cut young gun action wouldn't be bad, but hey, who knows? It's upper deck, right? So we'll see what happens. I don't know how they fall, but yeah. Smaller little batch here, but that's okay. Easier for us to get into what we need to get into. Throw that thing away. Okay, guys. Without further ado, I'm not even going to touch the packs. Oh, I'm not opening so quick. Oh, no, they're opening good. They're opening good. Let's go, guys. Clutcheroo, Shishirkin, Line, Sagan, Burns, Sharks. Yeah, this is 2022. He's on Minnesota now. Bergeron. These are all of our base. And then we got a nice Swayman limited. A nice Swayman limited. And that is hard to see. Pageantry, that's really, pageantry, that's really hard to see. I really can't see that. I really can't see that. Top rookies. Matthew Phillips. Okay. I don't know my feelings on how it is, like how they're packaging it now, but hey, bring the money and we're ready to go. Joe, Big Joe, John Tavares, Mr. Fleury. I like Mr. Fleury. Looks OG in his Chicago. Kachuk, Ovechkin, Kopitar. And we got a Larkin limited red. Kaprizov. What is this? This is the bounty. Okay. This is the bounty Kaprizov. And Draisaitl. Little die cut action here. Okay. This one's thick. I don't know what it is, but we got Kane, Carlson, Draisaitl, Vasilevskiy, all black. Looking like Darth Vader. We got Kaprizov, Olofsson, limited red, future watch. Tanner Lesinski. Who's this? Who the hell is it? Let's just put it down. SP top rookies, Quinton Byfield. Matthews. Mr. Matthews. Let's leave it alone. Pasternak, Bobrovsky, Dahlin, Backstrom, Bennington, Troy Terry. Uh-oh. Okay, let's put another card in front of that. I didn't see it fully. Let's go. You know what? Save it to the end. You want to? You guys want to? Nah. We don't save it. Sometimes we do. We can't lie. Okay. Benoit Oliver Gros. SP top rookies. Those come often, eh? And we got Vasily Podolsky. I don't know. I'm fucking horrible. I'm horrible. Redemption. Wow. Is it upside down? I think I got it upside down. Yeah. So we got a redemption here, boys. Is it upside down? No. We got it right here. With the Pasternak. What is it? It's in a Future Watch auto. I've seen a few of them. Why is there so many? Why does it have to be so many? What is this one? Come on, guys. Big name. Let's go. We all know who we want. Wade Allison. Okay. Wade Allison, not sure, but we got you. We got you now. Future Watch out of Wade Allison. Big redemption. Don't even know what team he plays for. So, okay, let's go. Jack Brand, Price, Jones, Berlin, Hamilton. Oh, Jock. John Gibson, Limited Red. What is this? Joe Sakic, East Pageantry. And Jonathan Dave. True Leader. Redemption. Yeah, I don't know. Can't even open my pack right because of that redemption. Marshall, Hopkins, Panarin, Vasilevsky, Peterson, Soros. Oh, there's our other one. It's too late. Popped out already. Dylan Cousins. Sign of the Times. Dylan Cousins. Okay, it's our second auto. Eklund. Aho. Okay, guys. We get a third auto. Very surprised, but we will see. We will see what happens. Bailey, Owl, Point. Oh, Nikas Hall. Kelly. Parker Kelly. Future Watch. Tomasino. I guess this is a blue. Marshall. That's thick. Is it? Is it thicker than the rest? Nah, they're probably all the same. 3 more packs, guys. Let's go. Let's get this ripping. I feel like I'm already messing up this video. Let's go. Nylander, Grunzel, Heskinen, Marner, Lee, Letang. Okay, a red is Gustaf. And what do we got? Future Watch. Ryan Merkley. Limited to 150. And Meister Yossi. That's not numbered. Those aren't numbered. True Leaders. 2 more packs. 2 more packs. I thought one was thicker, but no, it's not. Atkinson, Strutzel, Stone, Markov, Yossi, Voracek. What do we have here? Alexander Holtz, Red Limited. Addison, FX, another one, another bounty, and Dawson Mercer. Oh, we'll throw him over here. Okay, guys, last pack. Oh, that looks interesting. I heard they are pretty rare, but we'll see who he is. Okay, Jack Hughes, Huberdeau, Jacob Markstrom, Ken Keller, Elias Lidstrom, William Karlsson, Carter Hart, Red Limited. And we have, who is this? Oh, Gallagher. And then we have, it looks green on the back. Yeah. Was that a 1 in 120 hit? Same thing. Yeah, let me see. Where are these true leaders at? This is a true leader. But this is green on the bottom. Nah, nothing crazy. Let's just see what it is. Nico Hischier. It's not numbered, though. Huh. That's okay. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Till the next time.